A few things like I want to mention before we close off the summit. We have an amazing agenda on the main KubeCon stage on tomorrow, on Thursday and Friday. Few things like to notice, like we have some keynote sessions, we have really exciting updates from the Kubeflow ecosystem on the maintenance track, and one of the things about MPI, which we will talk about how we bring MPI v2 on top of Kubernetes with this Kubeflow trainer project. So please join these talks, please spread the message around what we do with the community, and more importantly, please ask other companies to be involved. Because like one of the most important things for us is to know who are our end users and how we can work with them. So one thing to notice also have the booth. Booth will be available every day during the KubeCon. We still need people to help us. So if you want to get involved in the booth, please reach out to Chase. I think all of you know the Chase Slack and how you can reach out, but we need help. So if you want to help the community, if you want to be in the booth, please let us know. In the Kubeflow Summit Slack channel, you can just express your interest, and we will be there. We will be asking the questions, we will be discussing new things, ecosystem updates, and we definitely want to have more interaction with end users. One thing that I really want to share, exciting updates, we talk a lot about how to onboard folks and how to give them access to infrastructure. So we try to work closely with Oracle and ability to build some sort of GenAI playground on Kubernetes using Kubeflow tools. And we believe this is a great opportunity for folks to get engaged so they can quickly see the value. They can open the Kubeflow notebook. They can select the LLM blueprints. They can fine-tune the model, and then they can serve it. Again, everything in a single ecosystem, and everything is in a very streamlined way. So this is very exciting. I'm looking forward to give you an access and looking forward to actually enable it. So if you want to also help us, let us know, and we are working with them to get access to the infrastructure. So this is our actually fifth Kubeflow summit. I've been in the very first summit in 2019 when we kind of discussing Kubeflow with the community. I think this summit was somewhere in Bay Area. So if you want to check like the previous recording, please take a look. I think this kind of express you the journey behind the project. So it was a long project. Google open sourced it in 2017. Google open sourced it as part of their strategy around how they can use Kubernetes for ML. And back then, like right now, we kind of grow our ecosystem in much more than just a single project. And it's a great thing to just remind ourselves what we've done over the last, almost eight years, and just to see like what is the path forward. So it's a great journey and great to be part of it. Also, I want to say like we try to kind of have more discussion with the end users. So we try to update our Kubeflow adopters list. So if you're using Kubeflow, if you're actually end user or if you're a vendor, if you sell the service on top of Kubeflow, please update this adopters list. And we also try to improve our website to include the companies and try to see how we can make more closely with with our end users. I think I also mentioned about end user advisory group. So this is one thing that steering committee trying to push towards to. So we can have an official committee from our government's perspective, so we can have more discussion with the end users. This is the survey. Please feel free to fill it in. And we try to collect survey every year. This is our kind of some sort of communication channel between end users. So if you're using Kubeflow, please let us know about your challenges and what is the next big thing we should be focused on. So yeah, I think that with it, I hope you're enjoying the summit. I hope to see everyone in the next KubeCon. I think it will be in November, but we'll keep you posted. And again, please just stay in touch. Kubeflow is a great community, as all of you can see. It's a lot of amazing people. I've been part of this community for like 8 years. It's a huge part of my overall career. And I think it's a great opportunity for all of you to start your journey in open source, start your journey in ML, start your journey in GenAI. And it's just a great place to be. So thanks everyone for your time. Hope to see you soon.